Hey folks, Jeremy Duncan here, Platform Architect on the Solution Innovation team here at ServiceNow. Thank you for joining today's virtual exhibit. To start today's exhibit, I'll give an overview of how we use the ServiceNow platform paired with sensors or buttons in this use case, combined with external data to build a feature-rich experience for our customers. You can view this experience at any time by opening your browser and visiting snexperiences.com, and from the featured experiences, find Fleet Service Management. From there, choose Launch Experience. I'll simulate the tripping of a sensor by pressing the AWS Amazon button, which I'll dig deeper on in a few. Then from here, we'll visualize the location of that CI on a map with the issues shown using our Service Portal technology and Leaflet.js map. From each marker, we can then track any issues that are generated from our sensors and view the work assignments in the platform by either using the agent workspace or native mobile views. By the way, check out that mobile branding feature, which is brand new in Orlando. Just a quick overview of how we started this build. We began by understanding our challenge, which was to enable a $90+ billion industry of maintenance, repair, and overhaul to respond to the issues reported by their fleet vehicles. We broke down each persona to understand the interfaces we would consider in the build to ensure a world-class user experience. We then moved into the platform features we would consider by extending the out-of-the-box capabilities found in Customer Service Management and Field Service Management. To ensure our build had a solid foundation, we expanded the out-of-the-box relational configuration management database, and then finalized our build with integrations that bring the key data from our sensor and fleet locations. All right, let's dive right in. So we're going to cover a few things to make this experience happen. We'll start with the guided app creator on the ServiceNow platform. We'll build a mobile interface. We'll also configure our AWS button to act as our sensor, and then we'll end on our external integrations for our location data. We start by using the ServiceNow Studio and guided app creator to create the application. From there, we extend the functionality of Customer Service Management and Field Service Management to enable fleet members to respond to their work. Our custom application enables us to build interfaces to support this use case, including Workspace, Mobile, and Classic UI. From within Mobile Studio, we check out our Applet Launcher Fleet Service Management. Within the Applet Launcher, which is the menu screen that you see when you open the mobile agent app, you'll see that you can modify the title, the destination that your user goes to, and the multiple sections that your user would see on the home screen. What we've defined in each UI section are a series of applets that appear. So one applet being a list view of the fleets that are assigned to that person. We display in an applet. We also display a work map applet, which we've got pointing to our fleet issues table, which shows the work that the agent has to do on a map. All of this is brought together in the application menu for mobile agent. So as you can see, Fleet Service Management is a piece of that agent application. To illustrate a sensor warning, we used Amazon AWS Enterprise buttons. So we would need to first create an AWS account. Second, locate our button. Third, install the IoT one-click app, and then configure the button. Once our button is configured, we move into our AWS interface and build out a Lambda function to kick off once this button is pressed. The key configuration pieces in the Lambda function would be 1, the URL that we're pointing to, and 2, the JSON that we're going to pass back to ServiceNow to write the record. And the consideration that we have in place here is that this button is dedicated to this aircraft and is representing a specific sensor. Therefore, we can detail the data that we want to pass back to ServiceNow in that Lambda function. For the final step in our journey, we want to ensure that we have the latest location of our configuration item or fleet vehicle to ensure that we can better understand where that asset needs service. In the aircraft use case, we utilize the OpenSky Network API to use our aircraft's call sign to determine the current latitude and longitude. Using a REST call, we define our get method with a min and max value to limit the data to a subset of lat-long coordinates. You can expand or contract to your needs. I am demonstrating both the integration hub method and the outbound REST method collectively. And as we open up our get method, we'll see the min max values that we set for our latitude and longitude to be able to show on the map. Thank you for taking time to drop by this virtual exhibit, and I'd like to give a special shout out to Tom, Sush, AJ, and Chuck for dedicating time to help make this experience happen. While we've expanded on this build over time, the initial prototype was built in less than 2 weeks. Don't miss out on the opportunity to attend a couple of sessions that will give you a sneak peek of some of the upcoming ServiceNow tech, IoT Bridge, and ServiceNow Smart Ops. The 2 sessions are ServiceNow IoT, Smarter Food, and Bev Ops at Dreamworld, and the other is ServiceNow IoT, Traffic Systems Service, and Preventative Maintenance at Tapco. See how these products can change the way you manage your IoT digital transformation. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.